A chyranthes aspera, a prickly chaff, is an herbaceous plant which grows in fields and wastelands to a height of about 1 metre. It is quite easily identified when fully mature, with a 50 cm long spikes bearing several very small greenish-white flowers which stand upright. If one should carelessly walk through a field, the spines with seeds are sure to stick onto the clothes, a good method of seed dispersal. The few leaves are elliptic or obovate but usually round. Medicinal use: 1. A laxative. 2. Strengthens and gives tone to the stomach. 3. Assists in expelling gases, flatulence and griping pains from the stomach and bowels. 4. Improves appetite. 5. Bronchitis, piles, itching. 6. Indigestion, discomfort or pain. 7. Promotes the flow of urine. 8. Asthma and cough. 9. As an antiperiodic in preventing the return of such diseases which recur, like malaria. How to use: the decoction or infusion of the leaves, seeds and roots may be used to take care of all the ailments mentioned in medicinal use. Parts used: the leaves, seeds and roots.